Looking for some crazy headphones for your gaming experience or music? Check out this. This is the Soulion headphones, ready to game. Let's open it up, do an unboxing. Now this is on Amazon.com, you want to check it out. We've already been using these. I've picked up a couple of them, they've been so great. If I can even take this out of the box. Okay, just slide this one out. This works for PS4, Xbox, and your PC. Headset. This is a noise cancelling microphone. Surround sound, breathable, soft earplugs, all adjustable. There it is out of the box. Your user guide, which nobody really reads. Long cable, 7 feet, and it's a thick cable. Adjustable mouth piece here. We got on the side we have a volume button, and you have the on and off noise cancellation. Nice and snug, and why I love it is because it has a cord. I'm not a big fan of Bluetooth wireless because it's not as healthy as if you plug it in. Now we have our gamers here, and Anthony has tried this out, and I'm gonna play a little clip. Anthony's playing Garden Warfare. You can't even hear me.
It's crazy.
How's it sound?
Sounds really good. There's a lot of bass.
A lot of bass?
Yeah.
They give a thumbs up or, yeah?
Definitely.
He loved it. You can adjust it to where you want it. So that adjusts. Gaming quality at that low price. Recommend it, check it out. Soulion gaming headphones. Thank you for watching, everybody. Live life loud, cheers, and cheeks out.